When the world is hit by a crisis, especially a virus like COVID-19, everything changes. Your work style, your office space looks empty, no socializing, everything comes to a standstill. No people and life itself a standstill. Protection and prevention is the only way out now. In India's fight, Mindtree and Mindtree Minds contributed 12 crore rupees. 3,52,450 Suchi kits, 65,000 N95 masks and 3-ply masks, 26,380 PPE kits, 20,000 PCR testing, 15 PCR machines to 9 hospitals, 6,000 grocery kits. 5 states benefited through this contribution from Mindtree and Mindtree Minds. For Tamil Nadu, 10 Ashok Leyland vehicles were donated in the presence of the Honorable Health Minister Dr. C. Vijay Bhaskar. These vehicles were used to pull down the rage of the virus, acting as sanitizing machines and disinfecting the entire city. Also, Mindtree donated 10,000 N95 masks and 7,680 PPE kits for the protection of the Corona warriors. The government of Tamil Nadu acknowledged and appreciated this. The government of Telangana wanted to do more tests on people on COVID and requested Mindtree for 15 PCR machines. Hence, 15 PCR machines were installed in 9 government hospitals across 9 districts. Honorable IT Minister K.T. Ramarao appreciated and acknowledged this Mindtree's gesture. The government of Maharashtra requested for PPE kits and N95 masks for the Corona warriors. Mindtree hence donated 6,000 of the PPE kits and 5,000 of the N95 masks. The government of Odisha requested for dry rations, especially for the migrant laborers who were returning home. And Mindtree did the needful. They gave 6,000 grocery kits, which absolutely fed 4,22,000 people. Mindtree also donated 40,000 of the 3-ply masks. And this gesture of Mindtree was appreciated and acknowledged by the Honorable IT Minister Tushar Kanti Behera. The Karnataka government requested for Suchi kits, PPE kits and N95 masks. Mindtree obliged to the request. The Honorable Chief Minister T.S. Yediyurappa dedicated the materials. The entire distribution of the Suchi kits was taken care by the BBMP under the leadership of the worshipful Mayor Gautam Kumar. To prevent the spread of the COVID virus, 3,52,400 Suchi hygiene kits were distributed to the migrant workers, slum dwellers, and other underprivileged families. Also, Mindtree distributed hygiene kits to rag picker colonies, villages, prison inmates. To protect the COVID warriors on the field, Mindtree collaborated with Anand Labs and organized 20,000 free tests, especially for the police personals and underprivileged people.
Generous contribution of 1 crore rupees from Mindtree was actually a godsend thing for us, and it's helped us tremendously.
Thanks a lot, Mindtree, for taking care of our health and organizing COVID testing for our staff.
This initiative of Mindtree was highly appreciated and acknowledged in a press conference by the Inspector General of Police, Sharat Chandra himself. On behalf of the government of Karnataka, senior IAS officer also acknowledged and appreciated Mindtree's initiative.
A big thank you to Mindtree and all its employees who have really joined hands with the government and stood by us in these testing times of COVID, where people have been in a lot of distress.
The Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka personally thanked through a tweet, congratulating and thanking Mindtree and Mindtree Minds for the generous contribution towards the state government. Giving in testing times is a great gesture. We, Mindtree, will continue to be the giver.